Aphids, tiny sap-sucking insects that can wreak havoc on plants, can be effectively controlled using a variety of natural, homemade remedies. From simple water sprays to concoctions made with common household ingredients like dish soap, garlic, and essential oils, gardeners have numerous eco-friendly options to combat these persistent pests without resorting to harsh chemicals. Garlic spray for aphid control. Garlic spray is a potent and effective natural remedy for controlling garden aphids. To create this eco-friendly pesticide, blend a whole head of peeled garlic cloves with about 235 milliliters of water, then add 700 milliliters more water and 30 milliliters of liquid soap. After steeping the mixture for at least 12 hours, strain it and transfer it to a spray bottle. In the evening, apply the solution to affected plants, covering both sides of the leaves. For enhanced effectiveness, some gardeners add essential oils like eucalyptus or tea tree to the mixture. Reapply every few days or after rainfall. Test on a single leaf before widespread use. It can also deter other pests like slugs and mosquitoes. Boiling the garlic in water is an alternative method. Adding a splash of olive oil can help the spray adhere to leaves. Essential oils to repel aphids. Essential oils such as peppermint, eucalyptus, and citronella offer a potent and natural solution for repelling aphids from plants. These oils can be mixed with water in a ratio of 10 to 15 drops per pint and sprayed directly onto affected plants, focusing on the undersides of leaves where aphids often congregate. Combining oils like black pepper and tea tree has shown synergistic effects for enhanced efficacy. Some mixtures achieve up to 98.33% mortality in aphid populations. Lemon essential oil is highly effective, killing aphids on contact. Cedarwood, spearmint, and lemongrass oils also repel aphids effectively. Adding a few drops of dish soap to the oil-water mixture can improve leaf adherence. Reapply after rain to maintain effectiveness. Some oils, like neem oil, may affect beneficial insects, so use them judiciously. Neem oil as a natural insecticide. Neem oil, derived from the seeds of the Azadirachta indica tree, is a powerful natural insecticide effective against a wide range of pests, including aphids, whiteflies, and spider mites. Its active ingredient, azadirachtin, disrupts insect growth and reproduction while also acting as a repellent and anti-fedant. When used as a foliar spray or soil drench, neem oil controls pests and combats fungal diseases like powdery mildew and leaf spot. To use neem oil effectively against aphids, mix 5 to 10 milliliters of neem oil concentrate with water and a small amount of liquid soap to create an emulsion. Apply this solution every 2 to 4 weeks during the growing season, focusing on the leaves' upper and lower surfaces of leaves. Neem oil's eco-friendly nature makes it an excellent alternative to chemical pesticides. It breaks down rapidly in the environment and is safe for humans and pets. Coffee extract. Aphid control. Coffee extract is an effective natural remedy for controlling aphids in gardens. This eco-friendly solution utilizes the pest-repelling properties of caffeine and other compounds found in coffee. Here's how to prepare and use coffee extract against aphids. Brew a strong coffee solution using 1 to 2 cups of used coffee grounds per liter of water. Allow the mixture to steep for 24 hours, then strain and transfer it to a spray bottle. Apply the coffee extract directly to affected plants, focusing on the undersides of leaves. Reapply every 3-4 days or after rainfall for best results. For enhanced effectiveness, add a few drops of liquid soap to help the solution adhere to plant surfaces. Coffee extract repels aphids due to its strong scent and acidic nature. Additionally, caffeine can be toxic to soft-bodied pests like aphids, slugs, and snails. As an added benefit, coffee grounds used in the extract can also be a nitrogen-rich fertilizer for plants when applied to the soil. Peppermint oil for aphid deterrence. Peppermint oil is a potent natural deterrent against aphids, offering an eco-friendly solution for gardeners. Its strong scent and chemical composition make it an effective tool in pest management, particularly for controlling aphid infestations. Peppermint oil has shown significant efficacy in reducing aphid populations, with some studies reporting up to 80% mortality through contact application. A mixture of 4 to 5 drops of peppermint oil in water can be used as an effective spray against adult aphids, larvae, and eggs. Combine peppermint oil with other essential oils like tea tree, rosemary, or clove for enhanced effectiveness. The LC50, lethal concentration for 50% of the population for peppermint oil against aphid nymphs, is 0.5442% after 6 hours of exposure. Peppermint oil is particularly effective against young aphid instars, but older larvae may show increased resistance. When using peppermint oil, it's advisable to keep concentrations below 0.5% to protect beneficial insects like ladybugs. Regular application is key. Reapply the peppermint oil solution after rain or every few days for optimal pest control. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to follow us, share this video with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more eco-friendly gardening tips. Join our growing community for even more tips, science videos, and amazing fantastical stories. See you in the next video.